In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Notion cover image with an aesthetic GIF. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a moving, eye-catching cover on your Notion page that makes your workspace feel more personal and inspiring. First, open the Notion page where you want to update the cover. At the very top of the page, you should see the existing cover image. When you hover your mouse over it, a small button labeled Change Cover will appear. Click on that. This opens the cover menu, where you can choose from Notion's built-in photos, solid colors, or upload your own. Since we want to use a GIF from the web, we're going to use a link instead of uploading a file. Inside that cover menu, look for the option that says Link. It's usually near the top, alongside options like Upload or Gallery. Click on Link. This tells Notion that you're going to paste in a web address for the new cover image, rather than selecting something from their library. Next, we need to find a nice aesthetic GIF to use. Open a new browser tab and go to Giphy. This is a popular website where you can search for all kinds of GIFs. In the search bar, type in keywords that match the vibe you want for your Notion page, such as aesthetic, pastel, minimal, or anything that suits your style. Scroll through the results and take a moment to find a GIF that really fits the mood of your workspace. Once you've found the GIF you like, click on it to open its dedicated page. Here, you'll see several sharing options. Look for the one that says copy link or something similar. Click that, and Giphy will give you a URL. Make sure you copy the full link to your clipboard. Now, go back to your Notion tab. In the link field that opened when you chose the link option, paste the GIF URL you just copied from Giphy. Double check that there are no extra spaces before or after the link, as that can sometimes cause loading issues. Finally, click on Submit. Notion will fetch the GIF from that URL and apply it as your new cover image. It may take a few seconds to load, but once it does, you'll see your aesthetic GIF, animated right at the top of your page, giving your workspace a unique and dynamic look.